Welcome to QSR Nation, your weekly dose of food service marketing tips and business strategies for success. Here's your hosts, Josh Anderson, Beth Oots, and Anthony Pierce from the PFS Brands National Headquarters.
Hey everybody, welcome back to QSR Nation. As always, we have Josh, Beth, and Tony here from the PFS Brands National Headquarters in Holtzman, Missouri to talk about food service marketing and business strategy for success. Well, hopefully by now spring is officially here and it's getting close to summer, but spring is in the air and the cold weather's starting to move out. So what does that mean for our retailers, Tony?
Well, it means that there should be an opportunity to really capitalize on the multi-packs, family dinners, getting things out there for weekend, trips to the soccer park or softball or baseball field, having those fishing events so you're a good fish fry. Whether you're catching your fish and frying yourself or whether you strike out and you stop by your local champs on the way home to pick up some fish and lie to your friends, that's okay too. It's just all about, having those opportunities to get out there and have these larger get-together events. Whether it's fried chicken or fried fish, it's a great time of the year to get everybody together and just have a good time outside.
Definitely. You need to make sure that you're promoting these family and multi-packs with an aggressive deal. So making sure that your customers are enticed to come in there, because these are larger valued items. And so if you're going to be able to run a deal, whether it is for a fishing event or if there's a tournament that's going on in town, or if you're next to a lake or a river, encourage these. Like start putting out flyers or bounce back coupons, bag stuffers. That's going to say, hey, if you come in there and purchase an 8-piece or a 12-piece value meal, we'll go on ahead and give you $4 off. And if you come back by the end of the day or something like that, we'll throw in a different deal. Think of the Starbucks, that whole mentality, or any of those larger QSRs that are out there that are offering those bounce back coupons to get that return business.
For sure, and I have heard you're a terrible fisherman, Tony, but I'm just saying that's the rumor at the office.
Wow, that's painful. I'm a fantastic fisherman. Just ask me, I'll lie about it.
Quite the tale.
Sorry, folks. It's a corny world.
It's hard to go on after that. But you also got, there's tons of farmers markets going on, picnics. Just all kinds of fun family activities that people want to be a part of.
Well, absolutely. Be thinking ahead. We're gonna have Mother's Day. We're gonna have Memorial Day. We're gonna have Father's Day. You're gonna head into 4th of July.
Celebrate America.
That's right,
and
America.
Nothing says America
like fried chicken. That's right.
So
really, be thinking, about the fun things that are going on. Look at your community calendars, what's coming up. You probably already know, the different events are going to be around. Really capitalize on that. Get involved and, get outside yourself. Get a little sun. I know you're going to be, cooking a lot of food up and, and ringing the register, but get outside. Get some vitamin D and, have some fun. Really enjoy it. Maybe just outside sampling day. And maybe, you're going to do something, kind of, fun where you've got an event with a radio broadcast or something. Great, warm weather, balloons and the whole 9 yards. Just have fun with it. Enjoy some fresh air because your customers are definitely going to be out there.
This is a great time to do a lot of those tent sales, especially if you're a supermarket, and then if you are a convenience store, making sure that you're just going outside, like we said, and then just offering those super deals and coming out there, maybe doing a customer appreciation day for everyone in your community, and then handing out those aggressive deals for the family packs.
Those are great ideas, and we can for sure help you out with any of those you might need as well by just reach out to us at qsrnation@pfsbrands.com.
Woo, you did it.
Yeah, did it that time. And we can help you with come up with some out-of-the-box thinking and just how to get out there and reach out to your customers.
Absolutely.
Don't be sure to subscribe to our podcast at pfsbrands.com/podcast. And you guys have anything else about the spring season in the air?
No, just get out of here with this winter stuff. Let's go.
All right, everybody. Thanks for listening this week. And for Josh, Beth, and Tony, we'll talk to you next week.
Stop by next week for another QSR Nation episode or visit pfsbrands.com.